Number 9, matrices. Okay, questions. Now first I would like to tell you the meaning of matrix. As you draw the table in your notebook for tabulation of data or for representation of data, you draw the tables. In table, what is the special feature of the table? Table has the horizontal vertical lines. In the same way here, you see that matrix is a rectangular arrangement of certain number of elements which are arranged in rows and columns. So you see, this is the definition which I write on the blackboard. With the help of this definition, you can make clear in your mind how the matrix is represented. So I represent here some certain matrices. First matrix 5, 1. It has only one column, 2 rows. It has 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 column and 1 row. So this is, in this way we can make the matrices, and the numbers which are written inside it, these are called the elements of the matrix. Now I tell you the order of matrix. Order of matrix, in singular form it is known as matrix, but in plural form it is known as matrices. As I write there at the blackboard, this is the name of the chapter. So order of a matrix: number of rows multiply number of columns. So this is the order of a matrix. So suppose if I write the matrix, if I write the order of this matrix, then it has how many rows? 2 rows. 1 column, 2 into 1. So this is the order. Now what is the order of this? 2 by 2. 2 column, 2 row. And here also 2 row, 2 column, square matrix. And here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 column and 1 row. So 1 into 4. Now number of elements. How can we get the number of elements of the matrix? If we multiply the number of rows and number of columns, we get the number of elements. So see, how many elements are there? There are 2 elements. 2 into 1, 2. 2 to the 4, 4 elements. 2 to the 4, 4 elements. And 1 into 4, 4 elements. So in this way, you can see there are different type of elements arranged in the matrix. Matrix are always written in this bracket. Way of representation is, we have to use this bracket. General form, how can we write? General form. It is A11, A12, A21, A22. So this is the general form of any matrix, and we represent it by capital letters, that is capital A. In the same way, other matrix can be represented B11, B12, B21, B22, like this. So you see, both are square matrix, which are definitely in your syllabus, square matrix. So you see that there are 2 matrices which I write in the general form, and first is A and then B. 4 elements, 4 elements. And what is the meaning of A11? What is the meaning of A11? First number shows the place of the number of row, and second number shows the column. So A11 means first row, first column element. Here first row, second column element. Here second row, first column element. Second row, second column element. So this is, in this way you can make clear it in your mind. And the 4 elements are there: A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the way of representation of the general form of the matrix. Now, what are the operations on the matrix? Before going to the operations, I would like to tell you the types of matrix. Types of matrices. Row matrix. First one is row matrix. Row matrix. Row matrix means containing only one row. So you could write 1, 2, 3. This is a row matrix. You see there are 4 columns but 1 row. So it is characterized as the row matrix. Second, column matrix. Column matrix can be written like this: 1, 2, 3. Only one column is there and 3 rows are there. So what is the order of this matrix? This is a row matrix. It has 1 row and 3 columns. Here you see there is only 1 column and 3 rows. 3 into 1. So this is the order, column matrix. Now I come to the square matrix. Third. Square matrix is the matrix in which number of row and column are same. For example, this is square matrix. This order is 2 by 2. There are 2 rows, 2 columns. So this matrix is known as the square matrix. Always containing the matrix which always contains number of rows and number of columns same. That matrix is called square matrix. Now, next matrix is rectangular matrix. In this matrix, number of row and number of column are not same. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. So, what is formed? Let it be like this. So, this is your rectangular matrix. It has how many rows and how many columns? 3 columns and 2 rows. 2 by 3. What is the order? 2 by 3. So, this is our question. Means contain all elementary. This matrix is known as, इसको हम O से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और इसका भी ऑर्डर 2 by 2 है. इसमें सारे एलिमेंट 0 0 होते हैं. इसको कहते हैं जीरो मैट्रिक्स. जीरो और नल मैट्रिक्स. क्लियर? नाउ 6 मैट्रिक्स, डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स we can represent any diagonal matrix like this. It contains only elements in one diagonal only, like this 2, 0, 0, 3. So this is the diagonal matrix because its one diagonal contains the elements other than 0. So it is called diagonal matrix of square matrix of square. The type of this matrix is square matrix. Now last one is 7th. That is known as the identity matrix. We will show this matrix by I and it is equal to 1 0 0 1. This is known as the identity matrix because in this matrix diagonal elements are one, unity. So it is known as the identity matrix. So this is all about the matrix which are in your syllabus. Now I come to the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix means we have to interchange the column into row and row into column. Suppose you are given a matrix A like A11, A12, A21, A22. Then its transpose can be written will be A dash, ट्रांसपोज विल बी ए डैश, ट्रांसपोज या भैया डैश लगाते हैं और रो को कॉलम में लिख देंगे और कॉलम को रो में A21 and A22. So this is the meaning of transpose. Equality of matrix. If they have same order, if they have same order and same elements, then A equal to matrix A equal to B. Both have same order and same elements. So you could write them A equal to B, matrix A equal to B. This is known as the equality of matrix. For example, 1 3 5 7 and B is also 1 3 5 7. Or you could write 1 square root of 9, square root of 25, square root of 49. Then they are also equal. Clear? So this is the condition of equality. So this is what the equality of matrices. Now operations on matrices. First one, addition. Second, subtraction. Third, multiplication. Division of matrix is not in your syllabus. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. I take examples here. For example, there is a matrix A having element this, and B is a matrix which contains some element 0, -5, 2 and 8. Then what is the sum? For sum, they should have the same order. For subtraction also. Must have same order. एडिशन के लिए और सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए दे शुड हैव सेम ऑर्डर. मस्ट हैव सेम ऑर्डर फॉर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन तभी पॉसिबल होगा स्टूडेंट जब उनका ऑर्डर सेम होगा. देन व्हाट द वैल्यू ऑफ a plus b? इट इज इक्वल टू 1 plus 0, then 3 minus 5, then 5 plus 2, then 7 plus 8. In this way you have to add. Now what is the final answer? 1 minus 2, 7, 15. So this is the final answer of your addition. In the same way you can find the subtraction also, but multiplication is different. That I will discuss later on. 1 3 5 7 A minus B minus 0. Then what is the answer? 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 5, 8. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, sorry, 3. 7 minus 8 minus 2. So this is the answer of subtraction. Multiplication I will take later. Watch. Range of the numbers assumed by the matrices First is addition of matrices is commuted. That is A plus B equal to B plus A. This is possible in matrix. Addition of matrix is associative. That is A plus B equal to A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. It is possible. Now, one more important property is additive inverse. How can we understand the additive inverse? Suppose you have two matrices, A and B. If you add them, if you get their answer 0, null matrix, then A is said to be the additive inverse of B. Suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A dash equal to -1, -2, -3, -2. If we add them, A plus A dash equal to 0. Then we get 0. So A dash is called additive inverse. तो कभी भी एडिटिव इन्वर्स निकालने के लिए आप जो मैट्रिक्स आपको दे रखी है मेन, उसके जो भी एलिमेंट है उनका जो साइन है उसको चेंज कर दीजिए, अपोजिट दीजिए, देन यू गेट द एडिटिव इन्वर्स. क्लियर? Now come to the exercise. Some selected question. Question number 1, evaluate 3, 5, -2. So you have to multiply first question, first part. We have to multiply a given matrix by 3. 3 here, 5, -2. इससे स्केलर क्वांटिटी we can directly multiply. It is equal to 3 5 is 15, 3 into 5 and -2 into 3. In this way you can multiply and the answer is 15 minus 6. So this is the answer. And the last part also 6 here, 3 -2. -2 here, -8, 1. So we have to solve it. How can we solve? First you have to multiply 6 to both the elements. 6 3 is 18 and 6 2 is 12. It's coming over here. Minus. Now you have to multiply this 2 inside. Then 2 into -16. 2 into 1, 2, like this. Now write them in one matrix. 18 minus -16 -12 -2. So it is equal to 18 plus 16 -12 -2 -14. The final answer is 34 and -14. So this is the final answer. In this way you can solve question number 1. Number 1 is say to first question, and if false you have to give reason. So all parts you have to do yourself. Now do yourself. If you have any problem you can ask me later on, or if you have any doubt you can call me ring. Question number 2, given here you get x 3 y plus 2 z minus 1 equals to 3 1 3 2, and we have to find the value of x, y and z. Since two matrices are equal, therefore their corresponding elements are also equal. So we have x equal to 3, y plus 2 equal to 1, so y equal to 1, and z minus 1 equal to 2, so So Z equal to 3. So this is your answer. In this way you could write the answer. So this is the way of doing this type of question. Question number 3 is of same type. Question number 3, do yourself. And fourth is also very simple. Do yourself. Fifth also, do yourself. Now I tell you the one part of 6 question. First part, you are given 2 matrices, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus other matrix -1, -2, 1, -7. So we have to add them and we have to convert these 2 matrices to a single matrix. So how can we convert? You have to add the corresponding elements. This is the rule of addition. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 7. Like this. So what is the answer? 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 plus 1 4, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 7 minus 3. So this is the answer. In this way you have to complete this question. Other part also you do yourself. Now question number 7. Find action y from the following. One part I tell you, remaining you have to do yourself. Second part, -8x plus y, then -2 equals to -3 comma -3 2. First matrix, second matrix. On adding, we get this matrix. So how can we find the value of x, y? First we have to add them. We have to convert these 2 matrices into single matrix. So it will be -8 plus y, x -2. So this is your matrix. Here we have -3 2. Now put them equal. Corresponding elements you have to put equal, because the matrices are equal and their corresponding elements are also equal. It's a property. So -8 plus y equal to -3. Therefore y equal to -3 plus 8. Y equal to 8 minus 3 5. This is your first answer. Now simply you have to find x minus 2 equal to 2, x equal to 2 plus 2, x equal to 4. So this is your second. So you get the value of x and y both. This is about your 7th question. Now I come to the 8th question. One part, you are given a matrix M in which the elements are 5, -3, -2, 4, and you have to find the M dash. M dash is transpose of M that I already explained you. तो ट्रांसफर कैसे मिलता है? रो को कॉलम में, कॉलम को रो को कन्वर्ट कर देंगे तो आ जाएगा 5 -3 -2 4. So this is your M dash. First part we have to add them, M plus M dash. What the value? How we can get the value? It's very simple. 5 -3 -2 4 plus 5 -2 -3 4. Then how can we add them? 5 plus 5 -3 -2 -2 -3 4 plus 4. Now on adding we get the final answer. It is 10 -5 -5 8. So this is the final answer. So one part I explained to you, other part you do yourself. Now question number 9. You are given a matrix and you have to find the write the additive elements of A, B and C. You are given a matrix A 6 comma minus 5. 6 minus 5, not comma. Then A dash will be equal to what? I already told you that you have to change the sign. So minus 6 and finish. So this is the A dash. Similarly, B matrix. B matrix is minus 2, 0. Then 4 comma minus 1. What is the B dash? Yani means transpose. Change the sign of all the elements. 2, 0. 0 पे कोई भी sign कभी नहीं रखता. Minus 4 plus 1. So this is your transpose of B. In the same way you find C. Now I tell you the question number 10, 1 part and 11 are left. You are given A equal to 2 minus 3, it's a matrix. B equal to 0, 2. C equal to minus 1, 4. Now we have to find first part, matrix X. In the given expression, X plus B equals to C minus A. So A, B, C, all the three matrices is given to you. You have to find only X. So how can we find X equal to C minus A minus B, or you could write C minus 1, 4. Minus A is what? 2 comma 2 minus 3. Minus sign, then C. C तो आ चुका है, माइनस ए माइनस बी, बी आएगा. First part you can solve yourself because I have given you much hint in that question, so you will be solving yourself. And question number 11, you are given a matrix A equals to minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4, and B equals to, B matrix is 3 minus 3, minus 2, 0. Now find the matrix X. This start. A plus X equal to B. It is very easy. Put the value of A, or you can write X equal to B minus A. First you solve it. B, this matrix 3 minus 2, 0. Minus A, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1. Now convert these two matrices into single matrix. 3 minus minus 1. Minus 3 minus 0. Minus 2 minus 2. 0 minus minus 2. Student, sign का ध्यान रखना है. Otherwise you will be having the wrong answer. Here you get 4. Here minus 3, minus 4, and plus 4. So this is the answer. In this way you can solve all of the parts. The remaining part you have to do yourself. Now come to the exercise 9b. 9b exercise. For this, there is no new rule. Exercise 9b. First question. See, first question, first part. You are given a 3. You are given a 3. You have to multiply 3 scalar number. You have to multiply this inside the matrix. 3 5 is 15, and 3 to minus 2, 3 you have minus 6. So in this way you have to multiply. Any number you can multiply inside the matrix, but you have to multiply that number with all the elements present in the matrix. Second question is so easy, you can do it yourself. Question number 3, given A equal to A, B, C. There are 3 matrices given. In the first part, we have to find 2A minus 3 plus C. So we have to put the value of A, B, C here, and then whatever number are written outside, that you have to multiply with each every element. 2 to the 4, 2 and the 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 5 15, 3 to the 6. Here there is no number, so you will leave it as such. Now after this, we have to add all the three matrices. So how can we add first element of this, first of this, first of this? We have to add. You have to consider this minus sign also. 4 minus 3 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 6 minus 15, then plus 0. 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6 plus 0. Here minus 6 will come. And now you have to solve it, you will get the answer. Fourth question you have to do it yourself. It is given. Now fifth. In the fifth question you are given this matrix 1 4 2 3 and B matrix minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. We have to find in the first part 2a plus b. So I give you the hint only, you have to complete. अब आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना तो आ ही गया है, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. किसी आउटसाइड नंबर से कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? Now you have to solve like this. 2 by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Then minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. अब पहला एलिमेंट पहले के साथ होगा, दूसरा दूसरे साथ प्लस होगा. 2 minus 4, 8 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 6 minus 2. Solve it. 2 minus 4 कितना होगा? Minus 2. 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. So this is the answer. Another part you have to do it yourself. Sixth question you have to do yourself. Now seventh. Given a equal to minus 3, 6, 0, we have to find the a dash. AT means भी ट्रांसफर होता है, डैश लगा दो तभी ट्रांसफर होता है. So how can we find the AT? मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूँ, you have to convert row into column, column into row. Now find 2a plus 3, first part, 2a plus 3a transpose. How can we find? 2 को ऐसे रहने देंगे, एक ही जगह में हम मैट्रिक्स पुट करेंगे. प्लस 3, फिर इसका ट्रांसपोज, minus 3, 0, 6, minus 9. Now to multiply 2 3 ja minus 6, 2 6 ja 12, 0, 9 2 ja 18. Same way 3 3 ja minus 9, 0, 2 6 ja 18, 3 9 ja 27. Now we have to convert these two matrices into single matrix. minus 6 पहला पहले के साथ, दूसरा दूसरे के साथ ऐड होगा. थर्ड के साथ, minus 18 plus minus 27. Student, now you have to solve it yourself, you will get the answer. Now question number 8. You have to do it yourself. Do yourself. No need to explain. Ninth, m equal to 0, 1, n equal to 1, 0. We have to find 3m plus 5n equals to show that 3m plus 5n equal to 5, 3. Now we have to put left hand side, take left hand side, 3, put the value of m, it is 0, 1, plus 5, then put the value of n, 1, 0, now solve it. This 3 you have to multiply inside with the elements given in the matrix, plus 5, 0. So there are two matrices converted into one matrix, 0 plus 5, 3 plus 0. So it is equal to 5, 3. So this is the equal to RHS. Pause. Sir, I already explained you different type of matrix, and I told you that identity matrix I equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is the matrix I. It is known as identity matrix. Okay? In this question you have to use this first part. You are given m minus 2i equals to 3 minus 1, 0, 4, 1. Now put the value, we have to find the M matrix. Put the value of I, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now you have to multiply this into, this 3 you have to multiply inside like this. Now you have to multiply this 2 inside, 2, 0, 0, 2. Now minus 3, 0, 12, 3. Now this matrix, because this is negative sign, so you will bring it this side, then it will have the sign change. Now there are two matrices, you have to add them and you can convert them into one matrix. How? Minus 3 plus 2. You have to show this step, 0 plus 0, 12 plus 0, 3 plus 2. What is the answer then? It is minus 1, 0, 12, 5. So this is the answer. Now, second part, you have to do it yourself. 11th, which is the last question of the exercise. You are given a matrix 1, 4, minus 2, 3. This is the matrix plus 2m equals to, here you write 3, 3, 2, 0, minus 3. We have to find the value of m. Find the matrix m. This is a matrix of which we have to find the value. So how can we find 2m equals to? First you multiply this. 3 into 3, 9. 3 to just 6. 0, minus 9. Then you bring this, shift this matrix to this side. So here will be the negative side. 1, 4, minus 2, 3. Solve it. 9 minus 1. 6 minus 4. 0 minus 2. 0 plus 2. Minus 9 minus 3. So what is the final answer? 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Minus 9 minus 12. Now this is the value of 2m, but our aim is to find the value of m, so we have to divide this by 2. So m equals to 1 upon 2, 8, 2, 2 minus 12. Then it is equal to 8 into half, 2 into half, 2 into half minus 12 into half. Now solve it. 2 4 ja 4, 2 2 get cancel 1, 1, 2 6 ja. So this is the answer. In this way, and I left one part for you, so you will do yourself. Question number I know by other question.